Hi, I am Rajeshwar Ghosh. I am graduated in 2020 with Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from Dr. B.C. Roy Engineering College. After that, I joined with Excel Dynamics India as a financial analyst. After a 1 year, got a chance promoted as a manual test engineer. Also, I worked there in the various projects by the help of manual test engineer. And after that, I left the company and I joined with the StarAgile to learn the automation testing course where I learned the manual testing, Selenium, Java, test engine, Maven, DevOps, WebDrivers, and QL. Also, I am about to join with 𝐒𝐓 as an internship. This is my small introduction. My training is very good, and we are asking any question. He never disappointed us. In the training, I learned the manual testing can be do and what is the thing. Also, another new thing I learned the automation testing, the Selenium, Java, like that whole thing I learned.
Or can you rate training on the basis of 1 to 10?
I will rate 7 to 8.
How much you do rate for support team?
I will rate 9 out of 10.
For career services team, how much would you rate?
For career services team, I will also give the 9 out of 10. If anyone is thinking to switch their job, then they can join with StarAgile because their trainer is very good. So they are providing the career service. So this is very good that if I left the job and I'm doing the training for 6 months, StarAgile has career service. So they will work for you and they will bring the company for you. This is very good thing.